What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, if you're new here, my name is Brandon and I'm a professional makeup artist here in Chicago, and I'm here to teach you some fun things about makeup on the internet. So today we're going to be talking about one of my most requested looks. This was from the last week's video. If you saw it, it is my top 3 bridal looks that I get requested all the time. This look, we're going to be going over some soft glam eye makeup. So I'm going to be splitting the makeup looks into a couple different parts, so that way you guys aren't sitting there watching 40-minute long makeup videos. That way you can just kind of get the tidbits quick and fast and easy, right down to bite size. So we're going to be doing soft glam eyes. I'm going to be showing you the products that I'm using, the brushes that I'm using, how to do the look, and then we'll be all set to go. So let's get creating. So for today's look, I'm going to be using these 3 brushes right here. So these 3 brushes are the MAC 224 brush. We have a blending brush from Glam Tools, and then we also have a lay-down brush from Glam Tools as well. These are the 3 brushes that we're going to be using today. We're also going to be using the NARS eyeshadow base, and this is in the color medium. And then we're also going to be going into this eyeshadow palette here. This is a hodgepodge of different palettes that I put together, but today we're going to be using some Charlotte Tilbury and some MAC Cosmetics and some Tom Ford as well. So I'm going to dive right into that. So let's do it. Alright guys, to start off this look, we're going to prime and neutralize our lids by using this NARS neutral eyeshadow base to neutralize the lids, and use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend and softly diffuse that product out. So you can see the difference in my lids with one primed and one not primed. This helps to prolong the life of the eyeshadow and keep it on a lot longer. Next, we're going in with a light to mid-tone brown. This is a really warm brown from Charlotte Tilbury. Picking that up on the same blending brush, making sure it's lightly diffused and really blended. Next, we're going to go in with a medium mid-tone brown. This brown is a little bit on the cooler side, so it has a little bit more gray to it. This is where you can start really seeing the shape of the eye come to life. Jumping right into a matte neutral color, we're going to softly diffuse the crease and all the way up to the brow bone with this color. This is used to just help blend and smooth all the edges just a little bit finer. You'll notice I haven't switched the brush yet. Taking a little bit more of that NARS eyeshadow base on a lay down brush, I'm actually going to go right under my brow and brighten it up and slightly blend those eyeshadows into that base again to create a really smooth, seamless blend. See? No lines, super blended. Now we get to add a little bit of fun. This is 2 shimmer colors, one from Tom Ford and one from Charlotte Tilbury. Applying them with my finger because these take a little bit of warmth and they need to be sheared down a little bit with your finger, and it takes a little bit more of that pressure. So you're going to see me lightly warm up the product in the pan and then press it right on top of the lid. Both of these colors are super beautiful, and I own both of these eyeshadows in many different finishes, so they're definitely a staple in my kit for bridal season. This goes with a lot of soft glam looks. Grabbing a small pencil brush in a really rich chocolate brown, we're using this to actually define the outer lash line and give us a very soft brown eyeliner. As you can see, this is not really perfect because we're actually going to go in and just smudge and diffuse it. Taking that same pencil brush and going under the lash line with the same chocolate brown, we're going to keep following that all the way to the inner tear duct, very, very softly blending it out with a blending brush after. Now we're going to quickly apply some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. This is the Armani Eyes to Kill mascara. Alright guys, so I've applied my mascara, a little bit of shadow on the bottom, a little bit of liner and shadow on the top. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows into the other side, and I'll let you guys see the final look, but I'm going to get in closer so you can see. This is just a really beautiful, soft, glam, shimmery eye. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? Alright, I'm going to quickly do the other side. Now let's watch. Quickly blend out the bottom lash line, add a little bit of liner from the top and bottom lashes, smudge it out, and there you have it. We're going to quickly apply some mascara, and then this is the soft glam eyes that everybody's been asking for all bridal season. So thank you so much for watching this Makeup Artist Monday. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please follow and subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you next week.